Dream Green is an educational app that raises awareness on cybersecurity and environments through our quizzes, challenges, and lessons. Users can recycle and connect globally. If they're unsure how to recycle an item, they can either use our scan feature or ask our assistant AI, Luffy, for a quick and friendly guidance.
So we also have another feature. It's basically a teacher's account where we can create articles for students to learn and using quizzes to test them. And after that, we can see there's a bunch of different articles, as you can see right there on the screen. And then after that, we also implemented a social community where students can interact with each other by posting things that they've done by recycling and reusing products. And after that, we also implemented cybersecurity quizzes that teach you about long passwords, on how to define scammers or even frauds that happen.
This is the structure of the Dream Green app code base built using a modern web stack with TypeScript and White. So at the root level, we have configurations and setup files like whiteconfig.ts and tsconfig.json, which define how the app is compiled and optimized. The app.tsx file is the main entry point for the application, while index.html connect everything to the browser. For backend integration, we use Firebase, which is shown through files like Firebase app.ts, Firebase analytics setup, and Firestore rules. Inside the SCR folder, the app is organized into three main parts. First is component, which contain the UI screen like authentication screen and reusable interface element, while the second one, service, handle three core logic. Content service, managing the learning content. User service, handle user data and profile. And then Gemini service, connect to AI feature for smart response or learning support. And then finally, we have utility files like constant.ts and type.ts, which keep the app organized and type safe.
Faced several challenges while developing our app. It took us 4 attempts to reach this stage, and the authentication phase consumed nearly half of our total development time. We also struggled when we tried to run and load the code in Visual Studio Code. Communication barrier and times also make things difficult for us throughout the process. For the future, we plan to collaborate with organizations such as PSE, AIM, Save the Children, and the United Nations to expand our app globally. We also aim to introduce educational games to make learning more fun and interactive. We also want to add more study resources and expand our cybersecurity quiz library to improve users' understanding and engagement.